Elo, and welcome to another edition of Forexing with yours truly, Forex Cobain. This week, I think we're going to put eyes on Euro USD. Not for any particular reason, just thought it was kind of an interesting little range bound sitch, and a lot of people play it, so let's take a look and see what it's got. So let's get into it. Okay, just kind of jump in, little recap from what is this? Probably going back, Friday something, Thursday, a little bit before market close. A lot of down action there, you can see it at least on the hourly, kind of decisively breaking lower. That's a nice, little bit of a hint the market's giving you. This guy right here kind of going down. So, we should probably think that there's a reason behind that. I'm not quite sure if it's giving us anything prettier on the... Okay. All right. So, you got to ask yourself, is this a good level for a bullish continuation, or is this a good level for something a little bit more bearish than what you're seeing right here? I'll take you guys into a better time frame here in a minute. Just gonna keep kind of pondering on this one. So you can see here that there used to be resistance. Here, and this is where it previously, broke lower, again decisively. Look at that, very decisive there, and works back up. So we saw some good support down here. Looks like that's 1078 roughly, and good signs of consolidation there. And then this just it just breaks up. So we've still got some moving averages that are kind of bent up, and they don't lead in any way. They're a lagging indicator, but kind of tells you that there's still some weight behind the move up. And if it really actually ends up finding support here where it used to be resistance, that actually tells you a lot. That really does tell you a lot. So definitely going to be one to watch market open. I would expect something, if it is going to keep going down, something closer to the low 108, 108.3, right about 108.32, somewhere right around there. And that'll probably be a little bit more the real level to test, back into the consolidation zone. Like if it just taps it and then just fucking bounces out, then you'll know that it's got some balls. It's going to grow some legs and do some, kind of funny on you. So let's take a look here at let's give this some context, guys. Okay, so much higher time frame here. We've got this entire chart covers going all the way back to fucking January. So we've got some big levels here, and this one's worked out great. Again, this was previous support, which was turned into resistance all through this area. Again, significant. Tells you something. So, but we're looking at here in the entire range, and you can see it really picking up in this bullish zone. And here recently we've probably got one of the best moves up. So we'll have to watch that area a little bit closer. Let's kind of zoom in there. So here's what we're coming into. Okay, here's what we're coming into. If it tests this zone again. You know, this is basically what you were seeing before on that other more rudimentary chart. Okay, so if it decides that it's going to, this one here, that's the line's kind of, you know, weak, little lightly dotted line there, and I wouldn't expect a great reaction there, but that'll also tell you again, you know, if it bounces off that, then she has certainly, you know, got some bull in her genes. But if this thing happens to, you know, come back down to this consolidation zone and, you know, does some stuff like that, then you're going to want to watch out for these, you know, these. So, because you'll probably climb back up here, and then if you start doing things like turning things like this into support, leads into another one higher, another one higher. This is the significant level. Okay, it's significant because I've taken it off the monthly. Oops, I've taken it off the monthly, and anytime that you're dealing with higher time frame, you know, levels, don't be stupid. They're more important than lower time frame levels. Come on now. It should be trading 101 right there. Anyway, so, but, you know, you've got stops here, you've got stops here, so really makes a lot of sense to come up to this level, which is, you know, let's have a look there, which is 110, around 110.37. So a real bullish target, possibly for the week, would be that. That would be probably max bull for the week. But you'd have to be a little silly to think that if it's going to make it up there, it's not going to go down just a little bit more. Now, a bearish scenario, I don't see a huge one, but it would certainly involve turning this little zone here, these levels, into something bearish, something a little bit more confirming. So, you know, we're talking about going down, bouncing around, and then coming lower, and maybe making contact here. We'll see how she does, but something like 107.5, I would certainly call that a good bearish target for the week from where you're at. You know, these levels, you may not even see these until next week, you know, the following, so sometime in June. But if we pick up speed, which, you know, we've got decent action here. I mean, these things have been moving actually pretty quick. So if she's ready to break out, then pinch down, pinch up. If she's not, well, you know, fucking rewind the video and you can just see what I just said. Anyways, I hope that helps, and I hope you guys have a good week. Well, you know, I hope not everybody does. I hope some people fall in the face because the market needs liquidity. And sorry, but it's true. Anyways, just practice your kegels and clenching your assholes, and let's have a good week, guys. Let's fucking kill it. Forex Cobain signing off. Toodles.